Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Discord open, mic permissions granted, and a TTS source ready. Install or prepare a TTS bot/app that can route audio to a virtual audio device. Once done, create or select a virtual audio cable, VB Audio black hole. In Discord voice settings, choose that virtual cable as your input. Make sure to lower input sensitivity so auto mute doesn't cut the TTS. This gets you from 0 to an active audio route into voice. Now you connect the pieces. Set your TTS app's output to the virtual cable and play a sample so you can confirm sound flows into that device. In Discord, switch your input device to that same virtual cable, then join the voice channel. Make sure to unmute and allow the app through any OS privacy prompts. Once connected, tweak volumes across the TTS app, virtual cable mixer, and Discord input so speech is clear but not clipping or too loud for others. Finish by choosing how you want to trigger TTS, push to talk when you need control, or voice activity for continuous speech. If listeners report echo, disable monitoring on the virtual cable or turn on Discord's echo cancellation and noise suppression. These reduce feedback. If audio sounds garbled, match the sample rate, 44. 1 kHz vs 48 kHz, between the TTS app, virtual cable, and Discord. Test with one friend, iterate volume and latency, and you'll have reliable TTS in voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.